Today I'm going to show you a 1969 Roadrunner that I recently purchased. It came equipped with a 440 engine, a tunnel ram manifold with two Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetors. It seemed to run okay, but it really didn't fit my needs. With the tunnel ram, I couldn't put the hood on the car. It did come with the hood for the car. Also included with the car was a trailer full of extra parts. Included in those parts was a original Chrysler Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold and 3 carburetors, known as the 6-pack. It also included the air cleaner. The 6-pack seemed to be pretty complete, with missing a couple throttle linkage pieces and a couple of clips, but otherwise it seemed to be in pretty good condition. I decided that I would install the 6-pack setup on the car. That way I could reinstall the hood that came with the car. I have no plans of restoring the car. However, I would like to get the car as complete as possible. I put a set of new intake gaskets on it and bolted on the intake and the carburetors, and had to order a new throttle cable and a couple linkage clips. After adjusting the float bowls and the idle mixer screws on it, it seems to run okay. Shortly after I got the car, I installed a set of American racing wheels, 15 by 7s in the front and 15 by 8s in the back. And it can run a 235/60/15 in the front and a 275/60/15 in the rear. I'm real happy with the wheel and tire choice that I put on the car. The interior of the car, although complete, has kind of a, 70s vibe to it. It has a diamond tuck velour interior that somebody's looks like overlaid over the original door panels and seat covers. Hopefully I can remove the velour off and the original covers will be there, but I have not had time yet to do that. It has a Roadrunner beep beep horn in it. It also came with a factory tachometer in the dash. Still has the Roadrunner emblems on the dash on the passenger side. The dome light in the car still works, which is kind of amazing. The console lights still work. It came equipped with a rear window defogger, which is a blower in the back window, or on the back speaker tray. You see it's disconnected, but it's there. It also came with a power trunk release, which is pretty unusual on those cars. I say unusual because the Roadrunner was actually built as a cheap car, a $3,000 car that anybody could afford, and they just typically did not have a lot of options in them, although this one has quite a few options. You can see here the car has the original spare tire, an old Speedway Firestone tire, and wheel with the hubcap. You can also see here that the trunk light works. It's glowing there, which was kind of surprising. And the old original red line tire on it. You'll also see here that the quarter panels are in very nice shape on it. Really don't see any rust in them, and no real damage that appears to have ever been damaged. The trunk floor is pretty nice. There's no rust that I can find. Overall, it's a very solid 69 Roadrunner. I was very surprised to find almost no rust. And you can see on the fin tab there that the ARM 123 is the designation for Roadrunner. A friend of mine once said that these cars are all about the emblems, and I kind of think that he might be right. Pretty cool though. It's also equipped with a black vinyl top, and yes, there are rust bubbles under that black vinyl top, although not severe. The front bumper and grille on this car are very nice. It's kind of hard to find them in this kind of condition. Appear to be the originals. Previous owner, he said he had to feel the need for speed.
All right, good afternoon. We're gonna try to get the old 69 Roadrunner to start here.
Hadn't been started for a while. Been sitting outside. There's no throttle cable hooked up to it right now. Had to order a new throttle cable for it. I got that cable now. I'm going to be installing it, but I'm going to have to work a little bit here to get the car started. Fuel up the carburetor. The car also has no brakes. I got a new master cylinder in it. In the shop, we're going to put a master cylinder on it here this evening and see if we can't get this thing to drive up and down the road. Got a pretty good exhaust leak. Got some tuning we're going to have to do. A little slip and tick there, a little higher idle than what we expected when a cold start there, but I think it's going to be okay. Kind of give you a look there. What we're looking at, throttle cable. We got no brakes. You can see somebody got a little carried away with the red and orange paint there, the black paint. We'll try to fix those things, make her look a little better. But overall, well, in order for the Roadrunner to go inside the shop and get some repairs, the Camaro had to come outside. Couldn't only be a day or two to get the Camaro back inside. Hopefully we can find some coverage storage for the Roadrunner here soon. Hopefully you enjoyed today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. We'll be bringing you more episodes of the Roadrunner in the future, so stay tuned and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, please hit the like button and the notification button, the little bell. Thank you.